how to get over analysis, paralysis, and shiny object syndrome when looking for niches and products. Bro, just fucking start selling, G. Just start going. I mean, if you want the best methods to do everything, obviously join Etsy Kings. But in regards to that, if you don't want to say join that, whatever, right? Just get fucking going. Just get going. It's the same thing for any business model in the entire world. It's the same thing for literally anything ever, right? Like, speed always wins. You know, so I'm in Miami right now. It's 4:35 p.m. in Miami right now. This morning, I was in LA. I've had 5-hour flight to Miami. The flight was at 6 a.m. I booked the tickets for the flight at 2 a.m., right? Dropped the car off, rushing to the airport, got there 2 hours before. We were actually okay. But now I'm here in Miami. Now I'm meeting a bunch of people. We've got an Etsy Kings event tomorrow and on Monday as well. It's going to be super fucking good. And just doing things just gives you so much more energy. I was running out of energy in LA. Like, everything was fucking making mistakes. Everything's pissing me off. Just left, pure speed, gone, done. All right, like, that thing's done right now. Now I'm here in Miami. Now we're doing an event. Now we're doing this thing. I'm meeting like 2 business partners tonight. Like, I'm doing different things. Like, always going. That's the best thing to do. Absolutely just attack everything. Pure speed across the board. And you just literally just try and fail almost. Because if you don't try, literally just try and fail. Just try and do things that you don't even know if it will work or not. And probably will. Probably be fine. You'll learn some shit. That's the most valuable thing. You'll learn something. Super quick interruption. After you finish watching this video right here, go check out the video that's the top link in the description, where I detail exactly how I made over £200,000 from Etsy dropshipping in just 3 months. Go check it out, but watch this video first.